and welcome to Research Bites, your daily dose of science news. What causes the seemingly normal cells in our body to swing off the rails and divide uncontrollably with disastrous and cancer-related results? This is an age-old question that's been nagging scientists. Until date, scientists believed that malfunctioned proteins were to blame. But recent research has implicated a type of ribonucleic acid or RNA that doesn't code for proteins to be responsible for this dreadful disease. In a study that was published in the journal PLOS Biology, researchers identified a non-coding RNA that causes cancer in mice. Long, non-coding RNA causes instabilities in DNA material within the cells and disrupts the cell's normal growth. These RNAs are called genome instability-inducing RNAs or GNAs. Its complementary nucleotide sequence is called GNARs. The researchers found that the presence of GNAR RNA in the cells was directly related with cancer-like properties like metastasis in mice. In the absence of GNAR, there was a reduction in the tumor activity of the cells. The study reported that RNA pairs GNAR and GNARs are normally present during the development of the embryo and are expressed more in the brain. This indicates that it is possible that this RNA causes tumors in the central nervous system. So although the study deals with adorable little laboratory mice, the similarities between the genetic makeup of us humans and these mice makes the findings applicable to ourselves as well. In human cells too, the increase in the levels of GNAR is linked with increased cell division. The researchers also believe that GNAR RNA molecules can be used as potential biomarkers to detect cancer. They are now trying to understand if GNAR RNA is secreted by body fluids like blood and if it can be used as a therapeutic target to the cancers. The findings of this experiment may help to cure cancer in the future. Thank you for listening. This podcast was brought to you by Research Matters, a SciComm initiative by Gubi Labs. For more science-based stories, podcasts, and news, log on to our website www.researchmatters.in.